Hey everyone, it's us.
Oh no. We're off to see the wizard.
He's going to go to the chiropractor to get rubbed.
Cracked, snapped, popped.
Rubbed.
No rubbing.
That's what they do. I've been to a chiropractor.
No.
Yes, they do. Something must happen. Big baby's laying in the back seat. Are they going this way?
Oh.
Fire? That's a fire truck. Somebody you know lives there.
No. But I didn't see any smoke either.
But I saw a woman walking out with the baby in her arms, so probably a fire.
I guess they were early enough that you couldn't see. Well, I guess we'll find out on the way home.
Well, I guess depending on how long it takes for your appointment.
Don't take.
Huh?
It don't take.
I don't know, last time I waited in the car, I was waiting out there for a half hour or so.
No, I don't. It's like Monday, he was on the phone. Turned out to be a fairly decent day after the rain this morning.
I don't know, I didn't know it was raining, so I was sleeping probably by then.
About 5:30, 6 o'clock it started to rain.
Well, I was sleeping by then. Well, everyone, I am going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.